friends, it's Amanda here, and I have some new Rainbow Loom products. Actually, they're kind of new, but not really new, but they've got some new packaging, a little bit of a better upgrade to the product, and we're gonna unbox these together. I have not opened this yet. You can see I wanted to kind of dive in with you guys. So this is the monster tail, and we'll do some original packaging and the original monster tail when we unbox this one. And then this one is the Rainbow Loom Beadmoji Care Bears Dare to Kit, the bracelet kit. So we're going to be adding in some beads, and then you have a little Care Bear, the Happy Loom right there. So if you are interested in seeing what's in these boxes, then come right back. All right, so thanks for coming back. I am going to unbox this one first. This is the monster tail, and I wanted to show you the original monster tail. This one was actually signed by our sweet friend June. So this was a gift. I did open it, but I have not used this at all. Got this several years ago, so it's just been sitting in the box, but I did want to show you the original one. And you can see that I have not even used the bands out of here. So here is an old original hook, and here is the monster tail itself. Now this one is the clear monster tail. It has the red little dot right there to show you where to start. And then we're just gonna, we've got the C-clips. These are a little bit of a bigger one. And then our Rainbow Loom bands. So that is what comes in the original kit. Actually, I'm gonna leave the monster tail out because I wanna do a little bit of a comparison. And we'll just put this aside. Set these over there. All right, so let's see. Yep, I'm gonna grab my scissors and we'll open this real quick. So from what I can tell, obviously from this packaging here, the monster tail is blue. We have our little instruction guide. Set that aside. And then we have some, looks like some neon bands. All right, I think it's all stuck together. Let's see. We got a little bit of tape here. So, and bear with me, it's been a while since I've done one of these unboxing videos for some Rainbow Loom. So we're just gonna, okay, being a little stubborn there, it's all good. So we've got some Rainbow Loom neon bands. I'm just gonna open this up, take a couple out, let you see them. And we have our bead band hook. And we have our monster tail. And then I believe this is supposed to help you do them faster. So I'm assuming that you put them in the little hook right there and you pull them over if you're using all three. And then I'm assuming if you want to just use two, you can just use the two there. So put that back, and then here's our C-clip. So I'm just going to do a quick comparison. There is no red dot on the blue one. Still same good design, plastic design from June. And we have the 3 on each side and the 2 at the top and the bottom. So it's the same, it's just blue now. I will have to say that I'm probably going to still be partial to the clear because I think I don't know, I haven't used this one yet, so it will probably just, this will probably still always be my favorite, so I'm just gonna set that there. So let's just go over what's in the instructions. It's gonna show you, obviously, how to loom. And it's gonna it's just basic instructions. It looks just like a regular fishtail, so. Nope, take that back. You've got your, let's see, I'm looking at this with you. So we have a starfish bracelet that we can make. And then you have triple plus. And hexafish. This one has always been fun to make. So, and then you have your fish. So, all right. So that is the new monster tail. I'm gonna put this little guy right here. Put my C-clips back, and we are gonna move on to our Beadmoji Care Bear edition. So we'll set that right there. Probably gonna need my scissors again. Might be able to just pull this one out. Yeah, there we go. So what I do like about Rainbow Loom is the little hooks that they're putting in with everything. So you can see right here that this one has a Cheer Bear Happy Loom. Like what they're called now, Happy Looms. And ooh, look at these pretty bands. I love these colors. And I will have to use the scissors again. Just real quick. Just don't want to make a mess out of all this with it being up. Sorry about that. It was just giving me a little bit of fit and I couldn't get it open. So it's still giving me a fit. Oh goodness. Okay, we're gonna do one side. All right. Let's flip these back over. This is some intricate packaging, y'all. All right, so here we have our Cheer Bear Happy Loom. Cute little thing there. And then this is the speed like loomer. And then we have our instructions. It tells you about how to do this. So this is, I believe, the bead spacers. Let's look. And then you can see, I believe you put your oh goodness, we just made a mess. That's okay. So we now know for a fact that you can't really break into Rainbow Loom products. Just kidding. All right, so we have our little bead spacer here. Not our spacer, but the thing that we can add the beads to our bracelet. I'm gonna just get started real quick on a fishtail and show you how to add these on. All right, I'm also going to give this a try too. So I'm going to start with my fishtail. This is not an instruction video to how to make a fishtail, but we're just gonna do one real quick. All right, so we have our 3 bands on there. And then appears that we pull this over just like so. Oh, how cool is that? Now we're going to be adding another band and pulling. No particular order. I'm just wanting to have one on here to kind of show you how to use this tool. Now, granted, this is really going to speed up your process, but there is something I will say therapeutic about actually bringing the bands over themselves by just using your hand. So, just going to do that. There is some therapy there. Okay, I'm gonna do just a couple more and I'll use this quick tool. Awesome. Whoops. All right, we're gonna do this myself. I'm just gonna pull it over. Okay. So now we have a little bit of a fishtail going right here. You can see. I'm gonna put this down and I'm going to pick up some beads here. We're just gonna use these two. Now granted, this is gonna work better if my bracelet is complete. So I'm gonna put that on just like so. They are just falling everywhere. How funny. And we're gonna pull these through, just like that. You see that? So that is how you attach that. And then these are just little spacers. You can have them in between, but that's how you are going to get your little beads on there. All right, so it has been a while. I'm a little bit out of practice, but I did want to get this video out to you guys and show you all about some more new Rainbow Loom products. There will be some more videos to come, so give this a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We have a whole lot of videos on there, hook only, looms, all kinds of goodies. So love to see you back.